Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to get better camera quality on Samsung. So let's get started. Number 1. Clean the lens. Use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the camera lens to remove any smudges or dirt that may affect camera image quality. Number 2. Adjust camera setting. Open the camera app, tap on the gear icon, settings, and explore options like resolution, grid lines, and HDR. Set the resolution to the highest available. Number 3. Enable Pro Mode. If available, switch to Pro Mode in the camera app for manual control over settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus. Number 4. Use good lighting. Ensure you're shooting in valid conditions. Natural lights works best, so try to avoid low light situations or use additional lighting when necessary. Number 5. Stabilize your shots. Use a tripod or stabilize your hands to reduce blur. Activate features like Super Steady for videos if your device supports it. Number 6. Update software. Regularly check for software updates and settings. Then go to the software update to ensure you have the latest camera enhancement and features. Following these steps should help you achieve better camera quality on Samsung device. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.